Dremel 22001 Rotary Tool Workstation Stand. The Dremel 22001 workstation converts rotary tools into a mini drill press, drilling perpendicular or angled holes, 15-degree increments up to 90 degrees. Compatible with Dremel models 4300, 4000, 3000, 2100. The sturdy metal base with 4 clamping points ensures stability, while depth metric markings aid precision. ShopFox W1668 13 benchtop drill press. The ShopFox drill press doubles as a spindle sander, featuring a 3/4 HP motor with variable speeds, 250 to 3050 RPM. Swing and sturdy benchtop design make it a versatile choice for woodworking and metalworking. With a 2.3A 1/3 HP induction motor and 5-speed mechanical control, 750 to 3200 RPM. Its 1/2-inch keyed chuck and 2-inch spindle stroke handle light to medium drilling tasks. Powermatic PM701 Benchtop Mortiser. The Powermatic PM701 Mortiser is a precision tool for joinery, featuring a 3/4-inch chisel capacity and 5.5-inch stroke. Its reversible handle can be mounted on either side, and the inline depth stop ensures consistent mortise depth. Packs high-power copper motor, 1050 watt, with gear-driven rotation for efficient drilling. Its 60mm adjustable stroke and auxiliary scale enable precise depth control, while the 3 to 16mm chuck handles materials like wood, plastic. BUCKTOOL 12-inch 6.2A Professional Bench Drill Press. The BUCKTOOL 12-inch Professional Bench Drill Press delivers powerful performance with its 6.2A induction motor, 3/4 HP, outperforming standard 5A motors in its class. It features a 12-inch swing, 3 1/8-inch spindle travel, and a keyed chuck, 132 to 5/8 for precision drilling. Variable speed adjustment, 580 to 3200 RPM, with a digital readout ensures optimal performance for wood, metal, and other materials. The 360 degrees rotatable and 45-degree beveling work table enhances versatility, while a Class 3A laser work